Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and wallet transfers. Today, we're tackling a common task: sending Matic from your Tangem wallet to your Arculus wallet in 2025. With updates to wallet interfaces and enhanced security features, this process is smoother than ever, but we'll walk through it step by step to ensure you do it right. Whether you're managing your investments or just exploring the Polygon network, this guide will save you time and hassle. First off, before we dive in, make sure you have both wallets installed on your device and that you're connected to a secure internet connection. Always prioritize security. Double-check your wallet passwords and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Matic, the native token of the Polygon blockchain, is popular for its fast and low-cost transactions, so transferring it properly is key to avoiding any losses. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open your Tangem Wallet app. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard. Locate and select the Matic asset from your list of holdings. If you don't see it, ensure your wallet is synced with the Polygon network. This might involve a quick refresh or network selection in the settings menu. Step 2. Tap on the Send or Transfer option for Matic. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Copy the address from your Arculus wallet. Pro tip: always verify the address by cross-checking it in both wallets to prevent any typos, which could send your funds to the wrong place. Step 3. Input the amount of Matic you want to send. Remember, you'll need to account for network fees, which are usually minimal on Polygon, but check the estimated gas fees in the app to avoid surprises. Once entered, review the transaction details carefully. Step 4. Confirm the transfer. You'll likely need to authenticate with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. After confirmation, sit back. The transaction should process quickly, often in seconds. Finally, once it's done, head over to your Arculus wallet to confirm the Matic has arrived. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status or reach out to wallet support. There you have it. That's how to send Matic from Tangem to Arculus in 2025. Always stay safe in the crypto world, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.